Alright, what's up YouTube? I'm back with another video. I'm here in Target trying to get a GoPro Hero 9. I already ordered it on my phone. Just waiting for it, to be honest. It's kind of annoying. I have to wait like 2 hours, I think, for the process. I'll show you guys where it's at right now. The Hero 9 is fine. Oh, that's the last one. Last one right there. Just waiting on it. So, just gonna wait. I guess it's processing or something. I'm not really sure what's going on. I have to find my girlfriend. She tried. It's been like an hour and 30 minutes. I ordered it at like 7. It's 8:57 now. So it's gonna be 9 soon.
That big?
Oh yeah. Can't find my girlfriend. I don't know where she's at.
Okay, bye.
I'm tight, dude. I just want the camera. I should have just came in here and bought it instead of trying to get the drive-through or the drive up. Now I have to find my girlfriend. Oh man. Do you have anything to say to the vlog?
Hey peeps.
Alright, so we got some good news, boys. Secure the bag again. And I have my Series X at the crib just waiting. I'm just shopping with my girlfriend, that's all. But I got the GoPro. I'm about to open it and show you guys a new setup. Hero 9, baby. Hero 9, let's go. If you press this is to record.
What's up, guys?
No, I already did the intro. This is Hero 9. Hold on.
You want to do it like this?
No.
This way?
Yes. Wait, I'm messing up. Oh my goodness, look at it. Oh my gosh. Here's the battery. Let's see which one makes a difference. The battery and stuff. This is sick. Dang, this is a lot bigger too, bro. You peep it? Okay, guys. So try to like keep it straight. So that's how it looks. And so the next clip will be on this. Okay, so let's see it. Dang, this is crazy, bro. Got the camera right there. Dude, this GoPro is the best. How does that look now, guys? Does this look better? This GoPro is about to die and it needs to update. So yeah, we're just grocery shopping at Target. Here's the box. I was impatient. I couldn't wait, right? I couldn't wait to open it. Oh! This GoPro is so sick, bruh. I love it. New angles. It's got the other GoPro here. Here's the freaking Hero 7. Now I got the Hero 9. Dang. This is just a quick video, nothing serious. See you guys in the next video. Peace.